Hey guys, so one of the things I don't think I've ever talked about is starting out every day. I do a safety check. I turn on my lights, I check my blinkers, I check all my fluids, and specifically, I think the most important thing that I can do is to check my tire pressure. Not all of us are rolling around in the mountains, but since I do that so much, it's a little bit more dangerous. And really, it doesn't matter where you're traveling to. If you live in an RV or a van or whatever, and you're in it every day, you need to be checking that tire pressure every single day. I just got front brakes and 2 new tires on the front. I'll show you guys that too. But yeah, it's so very important what you're when you're rolling around every day like I do, pretty much traveling every day. Safety check is huge. And yes, the tires every single day, the oil every day, the water every day, the brakes, brake fluid every day. And I'll try to, maybe in a later episode, I will just do one on the exact things that I do every day. But every time you get in your vehicle to go for more than city travel, you should be doing a safety check.
So I don't think I do a good enough job of explaining to you guys. I'm in this engine area and doing all kinds of preventative maintenance pretty much every day. From the walk around, to checking the tire pressure, to, you check your oil. Can you see that? Yep, that's perfect. Like that. And then this, every day I'm a little bit low on water in the radiator and I need to fix that. But in the meantime, not too much. And then, on your whatever vehicle you're in, you'll need to do that every day as well. I'm a little bit low on brake fluid. I don't know if you can see that or not. My max line is there, so I'm down just a little bit. So every single day, this is your house, man, and you need to be maintaining it like it's your house. I mean, you wouldn't let the pipes freeze in your apartment. So you got to take care of this every single day. It's very important.
Alright guys, I'm not going to do another oil change video. I will put the description in the description below, the full oil change video that I did before, but just show you some of what I'm using. This is an extended performance Mobile 1, $5 at Walmart, and I use the Pennzoil Platinum High Mileage Full Synthetic. I'm rolling around in a vehicle that's 35 years old and it's got 100,000 miles on it, so I do the full synthetic. But anyway, that's how I'm rolling on the oil change. Hey guys, pulling out of Wilmington and Hampstead, North Carolina, headed back through the mountains again. It's like Groundhog Day, but yeah, I've got to do some things in Louisville, Kentucky, and I've got a job waiting for me there. And then eventually, I'm going to make my way down to Texas. I keep saying that, but I really am. But of course, I take y'all along with me as always. Hey guys, waking up in Mount Pilot, North Carolina. Oh my goodness, we got in very late last night, and I called around. I couldn't find any place. Didn't want to stay in Winston-Salem like I always do. Wanted to switch it up a little bit. So I called the Flying J in Mount Pilot, and they said we could park. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Normally I get out of here by 6, but there's all kind of parking here. Very comfortable. There's a great restaurant inside with home-style food. And yes, I ate a couple of times, which I don't normally do because I'm so tired because we got in so late. But great boondocking, Mount Pilot, North Carolina.
All right, so I'm letting you guys know this is a wonderful boondocking opportunity. Love's Travel Center. You can see over here, there's a restaurant and the actual Love's. It's a truck stop. And at lots of these places, there's actually parking for RVs. Like legitimate RV parking overnight, and it's free. And I've stayed here all the time outside of Raleigh, Durham, on the west side of town. Free, safe, and awesome. Love's. I love me some Love's. Hey guys, just got back from the dollar store and making some kind of a late night dinner. I'm happened to leave the Wilmington area. Ooh, almost fell. Happened to leave the Wilmington area a little bit unexpected, so I'm going to fry up these sausages and do my patented 3-egg flip. So I got one pack of this, 7 ounces, is $1, and then there's a dozen eggs for $1. So what I do is I take I put these into 3 different batches. For one meal I'll have 3, one meal I'll have 3, and one meal I'll have 2, and then I'll have 4 eggs each time for protein. So I get 3 meals, 1 meal, 2 meal, 3 meal, and then 4 eggs each time, 4, 8, 12. So for $2 I get 3 meals, and it's all protein. So good stuff. I'll show you how to do my fancy egg flip in just a minute. So there's Wolfy. That's her position whenever I'm cooking. She's like, maybe he'll drop 4 or 5 of those and I'll eat them. Right, Wolfer? Wolfer, I love you. Yes, you're gonna get some. Man, I don't know how you like your sausages, but I like them pretty darn brown, man. Like, I like a crisp on the outside of mine. Ooh, those are looking good. That's it, really. Oops, turn that one over. There you go. Yummo! Fake Pam. I like the extra virgin olive oil. It doesn't really have any taste, but I put a lot on there. And this is always hard to do one-handed, but I have to because I don't have a good holder for the camera while I'm cooking in the dark. It's dark outside. It's really pretty late at night. Anyway, bring in for a flip. And the key is getting a really, I was going to say a really good non-stick pan. This is a $5 Walmart pan, and I get one of these about once every couple months, and I just abuse the crap out of it. But non-stick and lots of that vegetable. Ready? Every time. A little bit browner than I normally do, but that's it. It's going to be good eating. Here we go. Runny eggs. Good protein. Lots of black pepper. Can't ever have too much pepper. There you go. That's it. Good protein.